Hello, in this video I want to show you how to see your login activity in Instagram. First you need find and open the Instagram app on our phone, then go to the profile page using the Instagram menu. And here find the three lines on the top right corner. Just click on it and here select the setting and privacy. Here find the account center. Then scroll down and find the password and security. Select it here. Then find the where you are logged in. Select it. And here we can choose our account. And here you can choose some device you want to see login activity in this device. For example, this. And here I can see login activity in this device and account here, or I can click on the back arrow and choose some other device. For example, this or this and some other. And this all for today. This simple method to do it. This all for today. Goodbye.